Welcome to AmpleBlaze's video tutorial. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your background on Windows 11, but with a difference. There is functionality now with Windows 11 that you can cycle through different images and even use Microsoft Windows Spotlight. So I'm going to show you these kind of things. So the normal background changes, that hasn't changed since Windows XP probably. So I'm just going to show you the other way. So you right click on your desktop and go to personalize. Okay, in here, click into background, and then you've got up the top here, you've got personalize your background and then a drop down. Click on picture, then click on slideshow. Now with slideshow, it will pop up with a option here of choosing a folder. So I will go browse, then I will go to my Google Drive, and we'll say choose that folder, so all my pictures are in there. Now change picture every however long you want. Now if you want it to be daily, so every day you come and use your computer, it's a different image, or you can have it 10 minutes, 1 minute, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 6 hours. So I will do it daily. Once you do that, there is no actual save thing, so it's automatic. So if you go to your background, you will see it is changed to that. Now, if you've got two screens, I can't show you my second screen, but I can tell you that the images are different on both screens. So I've got one specific image on my main screen and another image on the other screen. Now, the other thing that you can do, you can change the slideshow to Windows Spotlight. If you change it to Windows Spotlight, this will give you basically really high quality images from Microsoft themselves. So that will automatically change. So a picture background applies to your current desktop, solid color or slideshow background apply to all your desktops. So Windows Slideshow, that's the option that we've chosen, and it's gone to this background here. So we've got the new Windows 11 background, and that will change. Doesn't give me any other setting there. If you have any questions, by all means, contact us at info@ampleblaze.com. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.